In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify and Xero for accurate accounting. If you're running an online store with Shopify, connecting it to Xero can streamline your accounting process, helping you keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's get started with this integration. First, you'll need to open the Xero website. Take a moment to ensure you've logged into your account. If you haven't, that's your first step. Logging in ensures that you're ready to make any necessary changes or updates. Once you're logged in and on the home page, look towards the top of the screen for a tab that says Apps. This is where you'll find various tools and applications that can enhance your Xero experience. Go ahead and click on the Apps tab. From here, you'll be taken to a new section called the Xero App Store. This is a treasure trove of different apps designed to help you manage your business more efficiently. In the Xero App Store, you'll find a range of applications integrated with Xero that can meet different business needs. But for today, we're focusing solely on Shopify. Now, look for the search bar at the top of the Xero App Store page. Click into that search bar and type Shopify. The search function here works efficiently, so after entering the name, you'll see Shopify appear in the search results. Locate it in the list and click on it. This will take you to the Shopify app page within Xero. On this new page, you'll find detailed information about the Shopify app and how it integrates with Xero. There'll be insights on the features and benefits you can enjoy from linking these two powerful platforms. Take your time to review this information if you want to have a solid understanding of what to expect. Once you're ready to proceed, look for a button that says Get This App. Clicking this button initiates the process of integrating Shopify with your Xero account. After clicking, follow the prompts on your screen. Xero will guide you through the necessary steps to connect the apps. The prompts are user-friendly and designed to help you successfully complete the integration without much hassle. While you're following these prompts, ensure that you have your Shopify account's login credentials handy. You may be asked to verify certain details during the integration process to securely connect the two platforms. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly link Shopify and Xero, allowing for accurate and real-time accounting updates. This integration can save you time and reduce errors in your bookkeeping. Now, you'll have more time to focus on growing your business while keeping your finances in check. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to check Xero's support resources or reach out for assistance. After completing the integration, enjoy the efficiency and peace of mind that comes with having your systems connected.